Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. That's because in this video, we're going to give you 40 words about cooking or preparing food. We'll help you with the pronunciation and give you a little bit of information on what that term means, what that word means. So let's get cooking. Bake, bake. Cooking food in an oven using dry heat. We bake cakes, bread, and cookies. Roast, roast. Cooking food in an oven at high heat. We roast chicken, potatoes, and vegetables. Grill, grill. Cooking food over direct heat, usually on a metal rack. We grill meat, fish, and vegetables. Toast, toast. Browning food with heat, usually bread. Boil, boil. Cooking food in hot, bubbling water. We boil pasta, rice, and eggs. Simmer, simmer. Cooking food in liquid at a temperature just below boiling. We simmer soup and sauces to help flavor. Poach, poach. Cooking food gently in hot liquid without boiling. We poach eggs and fish in water. Steam, steam. Cooking food with the heat of rising water vapor. We steam vegetables to keep their nutrients. Blanch, blanch. Quickly boiling food, then cooling it in ice water. We blanch tomatoes to remove the skin. Braise, braise. Cooking food slowly in liquid after browning it first. We braise beef to make it tender. Stew, stew. Cooking food slowly in liquid for a long time. We stew meat and vegetables in a pot. Fry, fry. Cooking food in hot oil or fat. We fry eggs and bacon in a pan. Deep fry, deep fry. Submerging food completely in hot oil. We deep fry French fries and donuts. Pan fry, pan fry. Cooking food in a small amount of oil in a pan. We pan fry fish and chicken fillets. Stir fry, stir fry. Quickly frying food in a small amount of oil while stirring. We stir fry vegetables in a wok. Saute, saute. Cooking food quickly in a small amount of fat. We saute onions until they turn golden brown. Air fry, air fry. Cooking food using hot air circulation instead of oil. We air fry chicken nuggets for a crispy feeling. Barbecue, barbecue. Cooking food slowly over an open flame or hot coals. We barbecue ribs for a smoky flavor. Sear, sear. Browning food quickly on high heat. We sear steak in a hot pan to lock in juices. Blacken, blacken. Cooking food in a very hot pan with seasoning. We blacken fish with Cajun spices. Scald, scald. Heating liquid to just below boiling. We scald milk before making yogurt. Reduce, reduce. Thickening liquid by evaporating water. We reduce sauce for a stronger, richer taste. Pickle, pickle. Preserving food in vinegar or brine. We pickle cucumbers to make them last longer. Chop, chop. Cutting food into rough, uneven pieces. Dice, dice. Cutting food into small, even cubes. Mince, mince, cutting food into very small pieces. Julienne, julienne, cutting food into thin strips. Grate, grate, rubbing food against a rough surface to make small pieces. Slice, slice, cutting food into thin, flat pieces. Peel, peel, removing the outer skin of fruits or vegetables. Core, core, removing the center of a fruit. Stir, stir, mixing ingredients with a spoon. Whisk, whisk, beating liquid quickly to add air. Blend, blend, mixing ingredients smoothly in a blender. Fold, fold, gently mixing ingredients without breaking air bubbles. Drizzle, drizzle, pouring a thin stream of liquid over food. Knead, knead, working dough with bread to make it smooth. Roll, roll, flattening dough with a rolling pin. Mash, mash, crushing food into a soft texture. Strain, strain, removing liquid from food using a sieve. Coat, coat, covering food with a layer of another ingredient. Garnish, garnish, adding a decorative topping to food. Zest, zest, grating the outer peel of citrus fruits for flavor. And that's it. Now you know over 40 different ways of either cooking or preparing food. Hopefully it's been useful. If it has, don't forget to press the like button. If you want to see our other guides that we've got on the channel, then press subscribe. And if you need more help or more resources or more information, you can check out makingenglishfun.com. The link is in the description. Now leave us a comment telling us which one is your favorite way of cooking food, or any questions you have. We will answer them, we promise. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.